Well, Monday the 8th of August, beautiful day, out for a ramble today, see what we can find, a little scot around in some woods, right at the end of the season. I need to check on that goldcrest nest, we'll see, have a little look around, see what's what. Yeah. First one in this split tree. Let's see if we can get over. Some thrush looks like. And nothing in there. But you knew that. Alright. Well, there's that goldcrest, fully intact still. So a lot of feathers around the top. Looks pretty good. No bird sitting, but we'll get out of here. Someone's on the way. Come across this, it's quite high. I'm going to see if I can stretch this up, but just looks like a simple song thrush in this small, looks like a little yew tree, but we'll have a little look and push it up and see if I can get in. Yeah, too high I think. We'll see. Actually, just above the song thrush, when I've looked up, there is a big nest. A buzzard. That looks like to me. Big nest, that one. Just seen the buzzard. Well, it's a long time since I've been in this wood. Long time. What, 30 plus years? 35? Linsford. Long time. I've just seen a buzzard there, beautiful buzzard. Up in that tree there. Didn't stay about for very long, like, but I'm just going to have a little walk, an hour's walk, so in here. See what I can see, go down to the river. But it's a lovely little area this. Can't remember the path being this wide, mind. There you go. Yeah, let's see what we can find. Well, here we are, Sandy Bay. My God. Foot have never touched these, or my feet have never touched these grounds for a long time. There you are. Fishing, permit holders only. Here we are, Sandy Bay. Beautiful day, so calm, a bit mank-like. Long time since I've been down here. A real blast from the past. Do I go left? Do I go right? I'm gonna go left. I'm just gonna have a little look down the river. See what we can find. Nice one. Looks like a wren's nest under one of the overhangs. It's quite open. Nothing inside. Could have well have fledged that now, but yeah, it's definitely been a recent one. Just under the overhang. Gone. There you go. Quite a hole, just like that mine under the bridge actually. But there you go. Switch the camera back on because seeing this one, just again, it just looks like another song thrush. It's lower. Let's see. Oh, well, I never. Songies. Well, just come across that song thrush. Which on the camera at first I could see the blue in there. I was quite surprised, but no, those eggs are old in there. Obviously that one or both of the parent birds have been taken. It is a wood where there is massive or high numbers of the predators. There's a lot of buzzards around, but sparrowhawk is the main hunter in these woods. In particular the songbirds, and those eggs are old. Flies in that nest when I've looked back. Which is a shame, but never had a chance to be incubated. No go, just like that one I had. But I'm gonna have a little. I haven't been in here that long. Went to the left-hand side. Down at the bottom, there's a lot of overhangs. The wren's nests are there. There's one looks pretty new. A lot of those are old, ripped out. Not a lot else actually. There's more of a run on the right hand side, but again similar story. Very old nests, but there's some young trees in here. I'm just going to have a little scout through and see if there's anything else there. What could it be? Bullfinch, goldcrest, we'll see. But yeah, there you are. I'll carry on. Anything else? I'll light the camera back up again. Right. Well, back here at the bottom, where I started, the same stagnant bit of water, no doubt, from an hour ago. Canny little area this. Lots of old nests. See why it is popular. Wren, grey wagtail, of course the songbirds. Oh, beautiful kingfisher flew by there. Right on cue. Wow. There you are. Just when you think there's an out here. I did see the old kingfisher holes up the top there. In fact, I can still see that kingfisher. There's a wood pigeon sitting through there. That's the back of its tail. Not really that high. Never mind. Seen plenty. There's another shot of it. Very still. Nice one. Another little blast from the past. Remember this pond? The road through from Gatefield into the Hemmel. Okay, now little mank. None of that greenery when I was a kid. Again, never been in this area. 30, got to be 35 years. Got to be. Two big trees here, I remember fondly. That one. Feather in its cap. Hemmel. Bit of a wander. 10 minutes down there. Not a big area. I seem to remember an entrance going up there, but it seems to be low road here now. Anyways, I'm going to take this one. This is camera back on here because this is a blast from the past. This little area here, which I recognise again, the path just seems to be so much wider. But yes, this was where we found that really aggressive missile thrush. I mean, we must have gone back, what, when I was 14, 15. And of course in these birch trees, and a lot of them are still standing, a lot of them well gone, was the great spotted woodpecker right next to the missile thrush at that time. I should really head up that bank, but it's a little pathway up there and that I can't head up the bank and onto the top. It's too much of a trek, that. It's hot. But I just want to scout around here. I want to see if I can spot anything. Very quiet. Plenty of wrens back there. A couple of bullfinch I heard. But apart from that, deathly quiet. We'll have a look. Woodpeckers had a little go at that one. I don't think it goes any. Nah, it's not in any degree, but just up that little bank where I've just been speaking there, I thought I would just have a look on the other side of this, and nah, it's had a go, but I can't see any potential other birches. Nah. Oh, what's that? Oh, wow. Someone's got a nest box up. I'll pan back out. It's quite a height. There's a large entrance hole in that one. Well secured. Hey, I don't know whether that's an awful front entrance, or a woodpecker's had a go at that one as well. Possibly the latter. There you are. Someone's put a nest box up in that one. It's another road area here, and it's popped its head up. Couple scrambled from this area. There's a female scouting off at the back there. Well, I've just done a little circle there, back at this pond, and like I said before, not all this greeny, it's stagnant. It was stagnant then, way back when, mid to late 80s. Like I say, none of that greenery then. Know what's in the bottom of there? I bet you there's a few bottles of them, old glass bottles of them, old English cider bottles older lads used to have over in this area. But there's a few of them in there. Anyways, I'm going to get back. I'm going to have one last shot of another area where I haven't been for a good while. I'm just doing a little loop. Time's getting on, but I'll see. Let's see what's what. Just come across this next to the pond, and it's one of them heavy woodstone. It's got number 12 on the bottom. It doesn't have a bird entrance hole as such on the front of there. For some bat, maybe. Yeah, one of them heavy woodstone boxes. Get a shot through maybe here, and that's it. That's the little gap entrance. I wonder. Well, here's another one from the past. Just over my left shoulder here is St. Patrick's Church, St. Pat's. That's the old vicarage there. Wow, these trees have grown. This is one of my favourite seating positions when I was a kid. Many walks over the fields used to often end up here, absolutely worn out. We used to keel here before we used to return home. 5 minutes. It's been beautiful today. I am absolutely knacked. But yeah, graveyard is just over the top of there, and Highfield just over the top of that tree. I can't believe the size of some of these trees now. Actually, there's one. Tin hut. Lots of youth clubs back in the day. When's that? Mid-80s. There it is. tin hut. Just left me back over there. Who that belongs to now. Anyways, cut the camera and get back and call it a day. I've been over across to the pond across the way there, or old pond. There's a lot of wildlife on there these days compared to when I was a kid. Nice to see. There's loads of overgrown gorse there now. It's some height. I've lost my bloody bag.
Job at the hall was no fun at all, but it was living alright.
That was living alright.
Worked our fingers to the bone, all his lordship did was moan, but it was living alright.
That was living alright.
That's what made it worthwhile, was a cider and a smile, and these were good old English days. And he went overjoyed when we went self-employed. That was living alright.
That was living alright.
That was living alright.
Gamer's Old English Cider. It's what made the old days the good old days.